I need to buy an SOC container, but online, they're all labeled differently by condition and price. Which one am I supposed to choose? And, where do I even look? Is there anyone I can ask? Wait a second. Oh, MES. I remember KDMES from the trade show. Okay, let's give them a call.
Hey, Sarah, your phone. Sounds like someone's calling you.
Please, don't ask anything too hard. Oh man, I'm nervous again. Deep breaths. Phew. Hello, this is Sarah from MES. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for an SOC container for export, but I heard the price varies depending on the condition, and that they're called by different names. Could you explain a bit about that?
Wait a minute. I know this. Wow, this is amazing. Everything I studied with Eric, it's finally paying off. Thanks, Eric. Okay, I'm ready. Sure. That's actually a really common question for first-time SOC container buyers. We generally divide containers into two main categories, brand new and used. And within those, there are more detailed condition levels as well. Brand new containers are the best you can get. They come straight from the factory and haven't been used at all, not even once. Super clean, no damage. If you want something that lasts a really long time, or you're planning to ship or turn it into a house or office, this is a great choice. Next is the one-trip container. It's almost new, only used once for delivery from the manufacturer factory. That's why it's still in great shape, with barely any signs of use. People like it for long-term storage, housing projects, or moving sensitive cargo. Now, unless you're buying directly from a container factory located areas, like in Shanghai, Qingdao, or Shenzhen in China, most new containers on the market are actually one-trip, or sometimes even two-trip containers. Technically, they've been used, but only a few times, usually to save on shipping costs. Now, what most people call used containers are usually over 15 years old. But don't worry, they've been regularly maintained and are still in good enough condition for export. These are called cargo-worthy containers. They're used, but certified for international shipping. They meet ISO and CSC standards, which means they're safe, watertight, and structurally sound. SOC containers are usually cargo-worthy. So if you need a reliable container for both shipping and storage, this is a solid choice. Wind and watertight containers aren't certified for export, but they do keep out rain, wind, and dust. They're great for secure on-site storage, like construction tools, equipment, or personal goods. Basically, if you need something reliable for outdoor storage, this one works well. And finally, we have as-is containers. These are sold in their current condition, no repairs or guarantees. They might have huge rust, dents, hole, or serious floor damage, but they're useful for temporary storage where looks and condition aren't a priority, and they're the most affordable. But actually, those are ready to scrap.
Thank you so much for the detailed explanation. You really know your stuff. I'm glad I called MES. Sounds like cargo-worthy is exactly what I need. How much would it cost if I purchased 20-feet container from Busan?
There's no one-size-fits-all container. From brand new to as-is, each type serves a different purpose. For export, cargo-worthy is the most trusted choice. And with the right guidance, picking the right container is easier than you think.
Today was such a fulfilling day. The more I learn, the more excited I get. I want to get better at phone calls too, so I'll keep studying hard.
Big mother.